welcome to Pop Along RC. It is new car day. I'm here at Sunderland Models. What do we got? There it is. This is an absolute beauty. Let's get inside the box. Now this is an absolute stunner of a car. The new Traxxas Hot Rod Coupe. Now as we get it out of the box, you can see this is one of the nicest looking cars I've ever seen. The black to blue fade is absolutely stunning with the metallic paint job as well. This is a real stunner. This is a 1/10 scale RC car and it is gorgeous. Now underneath the shell we have got a tub chassis. The car comes with lights. Really nice little springs here, small shocks, but they feel pretty good. So let's have a look at those wheels, look at those discs. This is stunning. I'm really looking forward to getting this car running. Typical good quality Traxxas servos, ESC, the XL5 and LiPo compatible. Really nice little battery tray there. Super easy to use, don't have to worry about losing clips. So the XL5 runs this 12-turn 550 silver can motor. I think I may have to upgrade this to brushless though, because it is stunning. I still can't get away from how gorgeous that car looks. Anyway, that's got to be one of the quickest unboxings ever.